Hello friends, welcome to Saving with Cecile. In today's video, I'm going to share Walgreens best deal for the week of May 17 to May 23rd. But first, let's share this deal from Ibotta. So I was in my phone today. Today is Thursday when I'm recording this video. So it's starting today, May 14, and you have to check the code every Thursday. So Abota, he said that it's gonna start to send the code every Thursday, starting May 14 through June the 4th. So you have to check your code and you have to open access code. So to get the access code, you have to go in Abota app and then you have to tap the menu in the top left corner and select a profile and access code. And you have to enter and reveal type in your weekly access code exactly as show to reveal your mystery cashback offer. So like the one they was giving today, they was giving $56 for the gas. We know that the gas is so expensive, and Abota he decided to give some gas back to the people. So when I did the mine, it was around 1 p.m. and then I got this message that access code is no longer available due to a high demand. But I will try again on next Thursday, but this time I will try really early. And then I saw some people posted the one they receive, some of them they receive $56 for gas. And the gas is going to be on the select gas station. It's not any station, gas station, but you will see in the app. If you go in the app and then you will see it. And some of them, they said that they receive $4 and some of them, they receive $1. But if you are watching this video and then if you don't know what is Abota, and then I'm talking it, Abota is giving a free gas. So Abota is a free mobile app that gives a cashback before that give a cashback before you shop. So before you shop, you have to first you have to download the app, and then you're gonna need to browse offers, and after that you're gonna need to click the plus sign. This is how you're gonna add. You're gonna add the offer. You have to add the offer for you to be able to redeem it. And after you click the plus sign, and now you're going to need it to the store. Even when you open the app, you will need it to pick which store where you're going to clip the offer. So you're going to go to the store, or also you can shop online as you normally shop. And when you go to the store, I don't mind. I like to go to the store, and I'm gonna scan the barcode to make sure that the product you are grabbing match the offers, because sometimes you're gonna think that is oh, is this one, but maybe it can be it can be different by the count. It can be like the bar soap, you needed to have a 2 count and then you grab the one with 4 count. It's not gonna work. So that the reason why I always like to do mine in the store, and then I'm gonna scan the barcode to make sure that I'm grabbing the correct product. And after, so you go to the store, you grab it, and then you're gonna need to go pay for it. You go to the cashier and then you pay. And once you have it, you have the receipt. So if you do this deal online, you have to make sure you have to ask them. They have to print you the receipt. And so you can, because you're gonna need it to submit the receipt by taking a picture, and this is how you're going to redeem your offer. So when you're going to redeem the offer, let's say that the offer was $5 and $10. All of them, they're going to need it to add up until when you reach $20. And once you reach it $20, you can withdraw the money into your bank account. You can do the PayPal, or you can do a gift card as well. So talking about Ibotta, and I posted two shorts where you can grab a free item from Ibotta. So I will link them on this video so you can see the free stuff you're getting from Ibotta. I'm using Ibotta a lot, and then this is how I'm getting, especially like at Walgreens. I'm gonna see which offers we have. I do at Walmart also. So which offers we have, and then I pay less. I earn some money, and it's that money I'm using it when I go coupon at Walgreens. So I don't really use my money. So this is how, if you want to learn how to coupons, this is how the way you're going to learn to coupons, guys. So you're getting this money, the money it always go to my PayPal account, and then I'm going to use it, and I'm gonna buy this stuff. This is how I do my spending deal. Another thing, the one I want to share, I saw some people sharing this barcode on Quilted Northern bathroom tissue that is ringing up 99 cents in some store. But I will check once. I'm gonna go to the store, and I'm gonna check this barcode, and the price they said that is ringing up 99 cents. But when I check online, because I took a picture, I have a picture, and then I scan it on my app, and mine online is ringing up $6.99. But I know that this week is when you buy two, you will receive a $3 registry reward. But since this one is 99 cents, and then when you grab two, I don't know, since is on sale, I don't know if it will give a $3 registry reward. But it's not gonna hurt if you stop in the store, and then you're gonna see this paper tissue, toilet paper, and then just go to the cashier and ask them to scan and to see if it's 99 cents. So you're gonna need to grab it. You grab it too, or grab as many as you want. And even if it doesn't print to $3 registry reward, but this is a really good deal for 99 cents. If you're gonna find one, but I will check also. But if you're gonna grab, since this one is ringing $6.99 for this week, if you grab one Kilton toilet paper for $6.99, and then we have $1.50 digital coupon, and you can combine it with one brownie paper towel. The one is $6.99, and then we have $1 digital coupon. So after the coupons, you will pay $12.43. Or if you have a $10 in Walgreens cash, you can redeem a $10 in Walgreens cash. Out of pocket, you will pay $2.43, but you will earn $3 registry reward. So now let's go on next week preview. So I receive in my Walgreens app, I receive these boosters. So on a $10 in Walgreens cash when you buy three select Pampers, on a $5 Walgreens cash when you buy three selected P&D oral care, on a $10 when you spend 40 on selected P&D paper goods, and we will see on Sunday what is included in this offer. And this is a multiple use, but you have to do this one online only. I will check Sunday morning, but this is because it's better to wait till Sunday morning and to see which coupons is attaching for this deal and how we can combine the spending boosters. And also another one is on 15 when you spend $45 on select Olay face cream, and this one is a multiple use, and is only online only. And the last one I receive is on $12 when you spend 60, and this one is a single use and is valid online and in the store. Okay, to start the deal and the one we're gonna have for next week. So next week we're gonna receive a free $10 Walgreens gift card when you purchase 25 or more on Walgreens personal care brand. So you spend the 25 and then you will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So it's no Walgreens cash, but it's gonna be Walgreens gift card. Charmin Bounty or Puff Paper products will be $5.49 each. I don't see any digital coupon on Flip app, and this deal is buy four and then you will earn a $4 registry reward. Colgate will be between 4 or 5. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 5 off one digital coupon. Buy two, and then you will get $4 registry reward. Crest or Oral-B will be between $3.50 or $4.50. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you buy three, and then you will get $5 registry reward. Olay will be 8 or 9 dollars each. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You will get a $5 registry reward when you buy three. And it's sure buy one and get one 50% off on ODX Air Care. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Get a $4 registry reward when you buy two. Dove or Dove Men Air Care, the price will be 5 to 10. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Buy two, and then you will get $3 registry reward. Tresemme will be $6 or $7, 7.49. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Buy two, you will get $4 registry reward. Chic razors will be $9.99, or you can grab the one is $14.99. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a $3 off of each. So when you spend 20, you will get $10 registry reward. Edge or Skin Teammate Shave Gel will be buy one and get one 50% off. Buy two, you will get $1 registry reward. Axe Body Wash will be buy one and get one 50% off. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Method or Mrs. Mayer's foaming hand soap will be $4 or $5. Get a $2 registry reward when you buy two. Soft soap or Irish bath care or hand soap will be $5.99. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna get a 5 off 3 digital coupon and get a $3 registry reward when you buy three. Crest toothpaste will be $9. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 5 off 1 digital coupon for each, and then you will get a $3 registry reward when you buy two. Bounce Danny Febreze Gain or Mr. Clean will be $4 for 10, or it's gonna be $4.49 each. Again, laundry care will be $9.99 each. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. So you will get a $5 registry reward when you buy two. Bounce Downy Gain or Tide will be $4.99. On Flip app, it shows that we're gonna have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for each and get a $5 registry reward when you buy four. And Cottonelle bath tissue will be 2 for 14 and get a $2 registry reward when you buy two. We have a lot of deals. This is the one I share is the one is getting some register. So you're gonna buy, it's gonna be buying deal or some of them is a spending deal, but we're gonna earn some register reward, and then we're gonna earn some Walgreens cash. The way I like to shop at Walgreens, I like to do most of the spending deals so I can earn some Walgreens cash and also combine with the one I'm gonna earn some register reward. And like I said earlier in my Ibotta, I always like to do my Ibotta. So I'm getting that money. This is the money I'm going to use to do my spending deal. And I do the spending deal to earn a Walgreen cash. And then also I earn a registry reward. And I'm going to use this registry reward on my next week deals. So with this registry reward, it's gonna be to lower my out of pocket cost. And then most of them you will watch my videos, my out of pocket cost is always low because this is the way I like to keep on. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumb up. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe and don't forget to push the notification bell so you can be notified when I'm gonna post the deal so you don't miss it. And don't forget to leave me a comment in this in the comment section. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.